Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys how to enable Duet AI in Google Workspace. So let us begin. But first, what is Duet AI? So Duet AI is a useful assistant tool across all Google applications. With Duet AI, you can request tasks like turning a document into a presentation and slides. And here are some more features right here. So there's a grammar checker, word choice suggestions, sentence structure suggestions, idea generation, organization, and collaboration. So with all of that out of the way, how do you use it or how do you get it? So to enable Duet AI and Google Workspace, first, use your Google Workspace admin account to log in into the Google Admin Console. Step 2. Go to Billing, Get More Services, and Google Workspace add-ons. Step 3. Find the Duet AI for Google Workspace Enterprise card and click Start Free Trial. Next, how to assign Duet AI licenses in Google Workspace. So once you have added Duet AI to your Google Workspace account, you need to give users permission to use it. So step 1. In the Admin Console, navigate to Menu, Directory, and Users. Step 2. Select the box next to each user you want to assign a Duet AI license. Step 3. At the top of the list, click Assign Licenses and then select Duet AI for Google Workspace Enterprise. And lastly, Step 4. Click Assign. It may take up to a day for a user's license to be activated. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to enable Duet AI in Google Workspace. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.